Alright, she's all done. Got it coated with some Duritex, basically what they use on road cases, concert speakers. Gives it a nice hard finish and a decent sheen. Show you guys how it works. Pop these out. Give it some tensions. That way it doesn't, it takes that wiggle out. After you get it safe, that guy locks in there nice and solid. So, locks in there, nice and solid. Let's set it up. Looking sharp. Tons of storage. Both sides have nice little storage compartments, and I'm actually jealous of this build. I wish I knew a guy who could actually make these. Now we'll go ahead and get her closed up. Pretty frickin' sweet.